Hello and welcome to Waka 254. Today we'll look at the 6 reasons why you should visit Panama at least once in your lifetime. Before we begin, if you are new in this channel, click subscribe, like and share. This will help me to create more videos for you in future. Number 1. Let's go. At the crossroads of two oceans and the two continents, Panama is a narrow, rich country packed with culture, tropical beaches, history, wildlife and basically all you could wish for if you're looking for an adventurous holiday. Widely unexplored, it offers much more than you'd expect. Here are the 6 reasons why you should visit Panama at least once in your lifetime. Number 1, it is easily accessible. Panama is considered the bridge of the Americas and is only a 2.5-hour flight away from Miami. Since it is a connecting point for routes connecting Central and South America, almost all major airlines fly to Tocumen International Airport. Once in Panama, you can easily catch a 45-minute internal flight to the Caribbean islands of Bocas del Toro or to the mountains of Boquete near David. Number 2, the currency. The main currency in Panama is the US dollar, alongside the symbolic Panamanian Balboa that only exists in coin format, with 1 Balboa equating $1. That makes it very easy for US tourists to travel to Panama and for nearly everyone else too, since most of us are familiar enough with the currency and won't need to pull out our calculator every time we have to pay. Number 3, the Panama Canal. There's no surprise, yet we cannot help to mention it. The Panama Canal is a world-renowned engineering marvel, a 48-mile artificial waterway connecting the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, opening the way between two continents and transforming the face of maritime shipping forever. There are many ways to experience the Panama Canal, from the Miraflores rocks in Panama City to the partial or total boat tours that cross the canal all the way to the city of Colon. Definitely a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Number 4, the champagne of coffees. As a small coffee-producing country, Panama has many advantages that makes it coffee so prestigious. The altitude, as well as the perfect balance of sun and humidity, and the many microclimates are ideal for the production of a wonderful variety of aromas. The geisha coffee, grown on the mountains of Boquete, is sometimes referred to as the champagne of coffee due to its refined character and its cost. Number 5, a hub of biodiversity. But Panama is a tropical paradise that hosts some of the most diverse and exotic species of animals and plants of the planet. Due to its geographical position, the country serves as a biological corridor connecting North and South America, almost entirely covered in rainforest with mountain forest and mangrove wetlands. It is home to over 10,444 types of plants, 255 mammal species and 972 indigenous bird species, according to the National Society for the Protection of Nature of Panama. Number 6, hundreds of islands. What makes Panama a unique destination for all those travelers who love to wander off the beaten path is the incredible number of unexplored islands that you will find in the country. The San Blas Archipelago, whose beaches rank among the most beautiful in the world, is composed of approximately 100 nameless islands, 113 with names, and 30 are the entire made of corals. In Bocas del Toro, you find 9 inhabited islands and around 300 tiny islets. On the Pacific sides of the Par Archipelago, facing the Panama City, and smaller famous islands in natural parks like the islands of Coiba. If you like this video, click subscribe, like and share. This will help me to create more videos. Until next time, bye bye.